During the American Revolution, music shaped the soundscape of war, guiding soldiers in battle, structuring their days, and carrying them mile after mile toward independence.
Revolution 250, Stories from the First Shore, chronicling America's semi-quincentennial through the people, actions, and ideas that shaped our country.
Listen closely to this sound. It's the Revolutionary War drill, Fix Bayonets, a command for hand-to-hand combat to break enemy lines. On the battlefield, amidst chaos, smoke, and screams, the beat of the drum and the shrill of the fife were more dependable than human voice for relaying vital orders. Commands like divisions to close up tightened formations, while ease your arms allowed soldiers to lower their muskets. Drums also went beyond the combat field. They structured life itself. In camp, rhythm was law. Drums announced dawn, summoned men to meals, and signaled lights out. This is Reveille, the wake-up call at dawn. It was one of the many signals including the retreat at sunset or the supper call. Alongside the drums, fifes played lively marches like the White Cockade, a British tune transformed by American hands. Those melodies bound soldiers together, turning movement into momentum and sound into resolve. And when duty paused, music provided a rare escape. Familiar songs like Yankee Doodle, once a British insult, became a shared anthem of pride and resilience. In the Revolutionary War, music was more than sound. It was a tool of communication, a source of morale, and the heartbeat of a new identity.
This has been Revolution 250, Stories from the First Shore. To learn more about this and other events of the Revolutionary Age of America, visit whro.org/USA250.